If you're up for an adventure on a budget with a good probability of fresh power lines, put Gudauri on your ski destination just do it list. We were on holiday in Budapest when COVID struck. Faced with the options of going home to China with no work and lockdown or keep traveling, we decided on the latter. Where to next to ski on a budget? Popova Sapka in Macedonia, Jasna in Slovakia, or Gudauri in Georgia. Our first morning in Georgia, we got this beautiful hotel and it's got this excellent ensuite games room. Look at this pool table.
What's this tiny pool stick?
It's got a tiny pool stick and it's only got white balls. Our first morning in Georgia. We've moved to Airbnb. This will be our second night in Tbilisi, Georgia. Look at this place, it's wonderful. Look, got a piano. Check out the view out the window here, look. We're right in the middle of the old town, so yeah, this place is beautiful. The easiest way to get to the resort is by taxi, which costs about $40 and takes an hour and a half. Or there is a bus for only $4. Most of the resort is conveniently centered around the gondola. There are hotels, apartments, restaurants, and rental shops. We rented a small Airbnb apartment for $150, which had a supermarket just downstairs. Compared with the rest of Georgia, the accommodation and food is expensive. However, compared with the rest of the skiing world, it is very affordable. And yes, there is some fantastic Georgian food. There are a variety of slopes serviced by a good lift network that rarely gets crowded. Navigating the resort can get a bit tricky, and the piste grooming is somewhat hit or miss. Certain aspects of the resort are definitely rough around the edges. I asked for a piste map when I got my lift pass and was handed an A4 black and white photocopy. However, none of that matters for me when the cost of a lift pass is only $25 a day, making it the best value resort that I know of in the world. If you know of better, please let me know. It snowed 2 days ago, about 6 centimeters. I think we had about 4 centimeters the day before that. And it's enough to go off-piste. Yesterday it was nice. Today, it's a bit crusty in places, but there's still pockets of like fresh powder. So it's really nice. Usually they get more than this, so with like, imagine with 20 centimeters, it'd just be awesome. There are a lot of off-piste options, inbound and outbound, some accessible by the lift system. There's free ride zones indicated on the map. With a guide and good snow, this place would be incredible. Overall, it's great value. It's definitely an adventure, and I would go again.